Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can I have your resume? Introduce yourself.
Sir, good evening, sir. I am R. Saikaran. I completed my undergraduation in Maharaja Vijayaram Daspatraj College of Engineering. Then I grade CGPA of 6.4. During BTech, I learned a lot other than academics. Later, I did my schooling in Pesasri Vidyapit with an aggregate CGPA of 7.3. After, I did my intermediate in Narayanan Junior College, 82%. There are so many things about to mention myself. Leadership skills, overcoming stage fear, communicational skills. These are so many things to about myself, sir. Next, my short-term goal is to get a job. My long-term goal is wear a respectable work.
Discuss about the Java. I have few questions. Why Java is platform independent?
Java is because it compiles source code into bytecode. We can run on anywhere. Write once, we can run on anywhere.
What are relational operators?
Relational and or JAWS. And means it returns to both arguments are true. And or means it returns false, both arguments are false. Or means it returns to both are different.
What are looping statements?
Looping for loop, while loop.
Okay. What is a method? What is a method?
What is a method?
What is method overloading?
Overloading, sir. Two methods are said to be if and only if same arguments but different types. In C language we can't take same argument different types, but in Java we can take same arguments different types. Lack of overloading in C language eliminated overloading.
What is a return keyword?
The return keywords it returns, it doesn't return any value, but
What is the difference between static and non-static members?
static members means it invokes, we need not to create any objects to invoke static method. Non-static means you have to create an object.
Okay. What is class and object?
A class is a blueprint. Class is a combination of objects, where methods and variables. It doesn't exist physically in the world. Object is an instance of class.
Okay. What is life and what is class and object?
Class is a class is a group of objects.
Okay.
Object is an instance of class.
What is method overriding?
Method overriding. Whatever the parent has default available to the child, but child is not available to the parent class. Child is redefined to use parent class. Parent class which is overloading is called overloading. child class which is overriding is called overriding.
What are the rules for method overriding?
That means for method overriding. This is the example of runtime, and it has using is a class method.
What is the difference between abstract class and interface?
Abstract class, whether we are declaring public void stack, declaring or not. Abstract class interface, we need not to declare public static void. It takes constructors, it doesn't take constructors. Next, doesn't take constructors.
What is exception?
Uh,
What do you know about collection framework?
If you want to represent a group of individual objects as single entity, it's called collection.
Okay, explain me the characteristics of list interface.
List interface. If you want to, it is a chain interface of collections. If you want to represent a group of individual objects as single entity where duplicates are allowed, insertion orders must be preserved. It's called list interface.
Explain the characteristics of map interface.
Map interface. If you want to represent a group of individual objects, key comma value pair, then we should go for map interface. Duplicate keys are not allowed, values can be duplicated.
Okay, Sharon. You're up to now.
Thank you, sir.